Baked potatoes are one of the most versatile foods around. Seriously, you can top them with anything, from a loaded spud piled high with sour cream, cheese, bacon, and scallions, to a classic side with butter and black pepper. What if I told you the best baked potatoes aren't even baked, but made in the air fryer? The high heat and small space gives you a crispy skin like you wouldn't believe. This is the ultimate guide to air fryer baked potatoes. To prep the potatoes, make sure to dry them super well after you wash them. This will give you that delicious, crispy skin. Using a knife or fork, poke holes in the potatoes so they don't explode. Drizzle with oil and rub it on the skin, then repeat with lots of flaky salt. You can use regular salt, but I love the look and texture of the big salt flakes, almost like a steakhouse. Pop these guys in the air fryer tray and make sure to leave room. This will let them crisp up even more. If they're too close together, they'll just steam instead. Cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 30 minutes, or until the largest one can be easily pierced with a fork. Wow, they look so good! Look at that golden, crispy skin. Now you can top them with whatever you want. For a classic side, I love to split them open and add a little butter and some fresh black pepper. Simple, delicious. My favorite way to eat a baked potato is loaded, which means we split it open and load it up with sour cream, bacon, cheese, and scallions. Yum. I hope you guys enjoy these incredibly easy, fluffy, crispy-skinned baked potatoes. Pop them in the air fryer while you prep the rest of dinner and presto! An effortless side dish all without even looking at your oven. I can't wait to see what you guys think of these amazing air fryer baked potatoes and what you like to top them with. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our recipes. See you in the next one!